Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple sorbet. First, select crisp, flavorful apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the best taste. You'll need about 4 medium apples, 5 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to enhance the apple flavor and prevent browning. This simple combination creates a wonderfully refreshing dessert. Now let's prepare the apples. Peel, core, and chop your chosen apples into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Next, combine these apple pieces with 5 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the apples are very soft and easily mashed. Once your apples are soft, remove the pan from the heat. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's completely smooth. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor profile significantly. Now, it's crucial to chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it's very cold before churning. Finally, it's time to churn your delicious sorbet. Pour the thoroughly chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. For a firmer sorbet, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for another 2 to 4 hours. Serve immediately and enjoy this refreshing treat. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.